Hello, welcome back. Today let's talk about Leetcode problem 2906, account balance after rounded purchase. So this is in the Leetcode AA weight test. So this is what I did in the contest. So for this question, it is an easy problem, but the descriptions is much longer than an easy problem. We know what about rounded purchase, yeah, but we have to read the question if it is different from our ideas. Yeah, so there are two important sentences. Yeah, so here, such that round amount is a multiple of 10. Yeah, so this means here we have a round amount. This is a multiple of 10. And the absolute of the difference of round amount minus this purchase amount is minimized. Yeah, so this means we have some numbers, for example. Yeah, so if our purchase is 11, for example, if the purchase is 11, so what should we do? Yeah, so it means the minimized. So it means the round amount should be 10. It cannot be 20. It is a multiple of 10. It can be 10 or 20, but 10 should be the answer. Because if it is 20, round amount minus this purchase amount, it is 9. It is not minimized. Yeah. And there's another case. So if this number is 15, yeah, if there's more than one nearest multiples of 10, so for example, if our purchase amount is 15, so the round amount can be 10 or 20, but which number should we choose? So if there's more than one, so it means we have two. Yeah, so the longest multiple is chosen, so it means we're gonna choose 20. Yeah, so according to that, I'm going to use a for loop because the numbers is from 0 to 100. Yeah, so I'm going to initialize the result from 0. So the result should be start from the 0. And here I have an integer array. So inside it is a 10 to 100. It is a 0 to 100. It is basically 0, 10, 20. Yeah, until to 100 because it can be one of my answers. So for this integer inside for any integer inside my int array, so I'm going to check if this integer minus the purchase amount. If it is more than or equal to 0, it means it can be one of my result. So there are two conditions. One condition is, if the modular is more than or equal to 5, it means it can be 5, 6, or 7, etc. I can just use 100 minus this number n. Yeah. So for example, if my purchase amount is 6, yeah, and 6 modular 10 more than 5, so here this n, it should be 10 because 10 minus 6 more than or equal to 0. So I'm gonna immediately return 100 minus this number n, so n is 10 at the moment. Or there's another condition. If the modular of purchase amount to 10 equals to 0, yeah, it means this number can be it means the purchase amount can be 0, 10, or 20. Yeah, so I just need to 100 minus this n because here I used more than and equal to. And also there are another condition. So it is the else condition. So if this n minus purchase amount, so if this purchase amount modular 10 is more than or equal to 5, but here it is less than 5. Yeah, but also not equal to 0. It means 1, 2, 3, and 4. So what's gonna happen? So here it's still 100 minus n, but we need to plus this 10. Yeah, for example, if we have a purchase amount, it is 1. So this n number, here this n should be 10, because 10 minus 1 should be more than and equal to 0. So this n equals to 10. So here 100 minus 10. Yeah, but we should also plus this 10 because 1 is rounded down. So 100 minus n should plus this 10. Yeah, so this is what I did. Actually, we can also solve this problem. Yeah, now let me submit it first to make sure this actually works. Yeah, so here the time complexity is O n divided by 10 because we used the 10 numbers, so the n is 100. Yeah, so it seems okay because yeah, because the n is just a very small number, we cannot check the percent or seconds here or milliseconds here. Yeah, but for this question we can also use a very simple mathematics formula. Yeah, because basically we're gonna return something. So 100 should minus something. It can be a 0 or 10 or some numbers, but it is related to this purchase amount. Yeah, so we should use this purchase amount plus 5 and then divided by 10. Why? Because if this purchase amount is like 5, so 5 plus 5, it is 10. 10 divided by 10, we take the integer, it is 1. So, yeah, so it is 1, but 100 should minus 10. So here we should time 10. Yeah, if we times 10, so it is our result. Yeah, we can also choose other examples. Maybe purchase amount is just 1. Yeah, so 1 plus 5 is 6 divided by 10, it is 0. So 100 minus 0 is 100. Yeah, if it is 1, it is 100, right? So what about purchase amount is 6? If it is 6, it is 11. 11 divided by 10, it is 1. 1 times 10, it's still 10. So 100 minus 10, it is 90. So we can use this formula directly solve this problem. Yeah, as you can see, yeah, it also works and it's pretty fast. Thank you for watching. If you think this is helpful, please like and subscribe. I will upload more Leetcode problem like this.